What's up, guys? Atif at Tuner World here. It is really cold here in Illinois. It's 4 degrees, feels like -8. The car hasn't been started or moved in a few days, so I want to make a cold start video to see how a Duramax diesel will start in the cold. So without further ado, let's just remote start this thing and see what happens. Alright, as you can see, it started right up. If you watch my other videos from last year, you can tell that this thing was struggling. So we found out that was because I actually had a faulty battery from the factory. So it's so weird here. It sounds like crap in the front. Obviously, it's got to warm up. Oh God, it's cold. My hand is freezing. You can see it's a cold start. Okay, so to give some perspective, my hands are done, dude. To give some perspective, last year when this truck was pretty much brand new, it was only a few months old, I tried making the same video. If you watched it, you can tell the car didn't start, and I was struggling all winter with this thing starting up, especially if it sat for like a day. Turns out that from the factory, I got a truck with a faulty battery on the driver's side. Like, it was completely bad when I did a battery test on it. So since then, I got that warrantied out. I got the warrantied out a few months ago, like in like August or something, like September or October, because my truck was still having problems starting even when it wasn't that cold outside. So essentially, that battery is still original, a year old. Passenger side, the driver's side one is brand new. And this is the first time me really trying it in a cold day. We haven't had a day like this cold in a while. And I'm happy. As you saw, it remote started right up. So, you know, I was bashing on the truck before, like, how does a new truck not start? But turns out it was a battery the whole time. So as long as both of your batteries are good, the truck just start no problem. And I've seen on the comments, people are saying, yeah, you know, it was -15, -20, and our truck started, no problem from our phone. So I want to make another video. So if you have the same problem where your truck is struggling to start, test both batteries out with the professional battery tester. Make sure that they're good. And if they are, obviously you can take it to the dealership if you're still in the warranty. I still have some time left on my warranty, but I'm happy with just a battery issue, because besides that, I really love the truck. I also had some other problems with the truck, some wiring, electrical issues that was all fixed by some software updates. So make sure you're keeping up with the recalls, the warranty work, and all that. Hope this video helps you. Like you saw, the truck started up right away. I'm gonna let it warm up before I go to work, and I will see y'all in the next video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. I'll be making another one when it gets even colder in the winter. I'll probably let it sit for a few days. If it's like negative, you know, in the negatives for a few days, and we'll do the same video again, just on the key, remote start, see what happens. But yeah, truck started right up, as you can tell. We'll let this thing warm up. And besides that, with the 25,000 miles, you know, the truck's been awesome. Just to give a quick update on the truck, it's been great, running good. Nothing really too concerning besides a few times with the software issues. It was all pretty much battery related. So see y'all in the next video. Peace.